Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove NSFW filter on Reddit. Are you tired of seeing blurred out posts on Reddit? If Reddit's NSFW filter is turned on, content marked as not safe for work is automatically blurred out or hidden by the mobile app and website by default. If you want to be able to see adult content clearly, it's easy to turn off the NSFW filter on your computer, Android, iPhone, or iPad. Here's how to do it. Tap the app icon that looks like the Reddit icon on app orange background. Then, tap your profile picture. It's in the top right corner of your screen and will prompt a menu to open. Then, tap Settings. This is next to a gear icon at the bottom of the menu. Now, tap the switch next to show NSFW content. I'm over 18 to toggle it on. If the switch is blue and pointing to the right, the settings is enabled so you can see NSFW content as you browse Reddit. If you want to blur adult content images, tap the switch next to blur NSFW images to turn it on. After that, anyone who's peeping over your shoulder won't be able to see the images on your screen. You can unblur this image by tapping on them. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.